Welcome to Interp days 8 through 10 in the 15-day journey of interpretation. All 3 of these days are going to look the same, so I'm just doing one video for it. You're going to do your event at least twice every day. Here's how it works. Step 1, glance through your script. Your script is now covered in circles and highlights and colors and maybe pictures and notes. I just need you to glance through it to remind you of some things that you've written down, to remind you of what's on the script and, the lines and stuff like that. Then I want you to spend a second, just a moment looking at your poster. Your poster should encapsulate the script and the themes and what you want to convey. So just look at your poster for a second, and then I need you to perform your piece full out. Now, I know you may still be reading every single word, and that's okay, but what I want you to do is perform each and every word as you read it. So that involves the voices, the facial expressions, the physicality of the characters, embodiment, and judgment. All of those things, start to really focus on those things. Now, it's fine with me if you want to go through half the script and then go back up and do that first half again and call that going through the script once. But what I think would be better and more efficient is just going straight from the beginning to end, beginning to end. So you're going to do that first. Look at your script, just glance through it. Look at your poster, pick up your script, find a wall, perform your piece even if you're reading. Then you'll take a break. That's step 2. Go for a walk for 5 minutes. Come back to class before your 5 minutes is up. Do that over again. You're going to go all the way through your script, embody it, judge it, voices, faces. Then take another break. You've got 20 or 25 minutes at this point. So that process should take about 30 minutes. Now you have the rest of the class period and you have some choices. If you're aiming at an upcoming contest, then you probably want to go through that script one more time. So you're doing it 3 times. But if you feel like you have a handle on it, then now is a good time to start looking at your second project. Remember, that can be a speech event, or it can be a music event or an art project. So this is the day where once you've done that, you can start looking at your second event. You can start your second project if you want in those last 20 or 25 minutes. Remember though, if you are competing with this event soon, you may want to run through it again. So that's the process today. Enjoy it. Have fun storming the castle.